series of examination was conducted, DNA test, and we found out that that woman is the same mother nung napatay na kanilang tinignan. So charges were filed against the suspects, and warrant of arrest has been issued by Quezon City RTC. So nagtuloy-tuloy ang investigation, and just the other day na huli na natuntun ng agents natin ng Homicide Division yung suspect sa Nueva Ecija. The NBI will work together towards the solution of all kidnapping cases. At ito na nga po nagpunga. Yung joint effort namin ng AKG led by Colonel Pocline, na ngayon siya ang chief ng AKG, at ang NBI ay naka-resolve ng isang magandang kaso. This case involves the kidnapping of 2 Chinese and 1 Korean national sa Nasugbu, Batangas. No? Nangyari itong kidnapping na ito noong May 2 lamang. Ito, May 2. Sa bilis ng pagtatrabaho ng AKG together with the National Bureau of Investigation agents, we were able to capture 4 na yung mastermind, 2 Chinese ang mastermind, at several Filipinos ito ngayon. So, ano bang nangyari dun sa kidnapping na yun, Colonel, sir?
Kung matatandaan niyo po, meron po tayong kidnapping ransom case na nangyari po sa somewhere in Nasugbu, Batangas, wherein 2 Chinese nationals and 1 Korean national was abducted, and later on, ransom was demanded from the relatives of the victims. Now, during the operation, intelligence operation, investigation, 2 pong nahuli through a checkpoint po ng ating territorial unit, yung Bacoor Municipal Police Station operatives. So later on, we found out that these 2 Chinese nationals ay sila po yung namumuno sa grupo po kung saan po nadukot yung 3 biktima, 2 Chinese, and again, 1 Korean national. And during our investigation, it turned out na merong ginagamit na mga Filipino nationals itong dalawang Chinese nationals.